Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as you see, the daily candle, what it done for us here in that place. Zoom it like that, as you see it, guys. And by the way, today it came the Ethereum merge. Write it for you in the community tab of the YouTube. You can find it, and I give you even the website to being countdown. So when it came the merge, it happened like a madness. It came all partial here, then it fell down. Yes, the Ethereum merge is something good for the Bitcoin, but for the crypto community in general. But the situation when it came, it's very bad. The Fed it's still tightening. The Fed is still going to increase interest rate. The world economical and macroeconomical, it's very bad. So what can we say? It came in an uncertainty time. So there is nothing to do about it. Now everyone is getting scared now. So that way it doesn't push the price to go higher. If it's coming on a normal time, you see the Bitcoin and Ethereum to go very, very high. But now also we are in a very bad moment. That's the reason why it doesn't go high. And it's coming tomorrow, some news, guys. Let me show it to you. It's going to see the news which is coming tomorrow. As you see it, the news which is coming tomorrow is going to come retail sales of UK and CPI of the Eurozone or inflation of Eurozone. As you see it, is going to come at 9 o'clock early in the morning. And by the way, all the time here is it in GMT. So make a close eye of those things I'm telling you guys. And here, as you see it, all the market is it red. Only Dow Jones and US 30. Those ones, they are green today because they got only 30 companies. The SP is falling. I think everything is too clear, guys. Here. And the VIX, it's still 25. As you see it here. That's man, there is no investing yet. Market is still very high risk till now for a lot of scareness in the market. Everything is too clear here. Let's going back now to the chart to explain to you what the chart telling us. Here in our chart, guys, as you see that candle here, what it's indicating here, that one. It's indicating that zone here. It's still holding that zone here. You got here a zone and it's still holding the market, and I tell you there is a correction going to come, but when we don't know. And here, let me zoom it, look close with me here, what you seeing, what the market give you here. The market here, it give you like a flag. I show it to you in the last video. Oh, now where is that flag is going to be broke? That's what you need to make a close eye at it. Where it's going to be broken. If it's broken higher, you enter long. If it's broken lower, you enter short. And here I show you before, you got here like a channel. But if you make a close eye with me here, you can even draw it like that, a wedge like that, or you draw in a channel like that. So both of them, they are the same. Everything is too clear. Let me show you my chart for the picture to be more clear to you. My chart, as you see it, it's still the same. Nothing was changing here. If you see in here, that the zone and that white one is the long-term trend. And here down we got that zone. So it's still reacting like a support, but it doesn't show in us we are going to go higher. It needs to come another green candle here. But till now there is nothing yet. And down the volume. Let me show it to you. The volume, it's still, which is winning, is the red ones. There is nothing next to it. No green, no red. So what that mean? That mean in that zone where we are, that one, the market is going to stay here sideways for some time, guys. Here, because there is no buying, no selling. We're pushing. There is no sellers, they pushing down, and there is no buyers, they pushing high. So it's going to stay here sideways for some time. I think everything is too clear here. Let's see our indicator, what it says for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, same thing, nothing was changed. It touched for us the top trend here, as you see it. Now look where we are here. Now what is it, the view? The view, as you see it, guys, he break for you the last low, which is here, that one. Now it give you another low. So now I think it's going to go till here, or maybe that one, because here got a support here in that place, maybe even that one to hold, and from here to reverse again to go back here. But till now nothing confirmed yet. Now the only thing which is confirmed also is still going down. There is no buying opportunity yet. Everything is too clear here. Let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, you You watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in 2 videos, guys. Every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very informed about the crypto world and you will not miss any opportunity. And you're learning from professional people that the job of them. That's what we're doing for a living, guys. We are not just came to blah blah to you. And you, if you be a subscriber with us, please smash the like button and write for us a comment. Help us growing up that channel. Help us, guys. You benefiting from us. We give you free signals and free analysis, and us we will know more new subscribers, guys. So help us for that channel to growing up more. It's very simple and easy. It will not take you even 1 minute or 1 second. Smash the like button, write for us a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. So let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, as you see it, guys, it came out here, but it's showing now it's going down again. Now my view to it is going to come back here to the oversold area. And here, yes, those candles here, they're showing a rejection, but as I show you here down in the volume, there is no buying opportunity yet. I think it's going to stay here for some time sideways. Then after that, we're going to see what's going to happen. Now let's go into lower time frames to see what is it there. Let's go to the 4 hours to see what the 4 hours telling us for the picture to be more clear to you guys. So let's go into the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, look with me here, very close here. What you see in here in the 4 hours. Look here and look here. Is a very clear flag. I showed it to you in the previous video, but it's okay to repeat it because now it's more clear. And look at it here down. It's still showing very stronger, guys. Yes or no? And I'll show you another thing. Here, what did I told you before? I told you something here very important yesterday. I told you got a level here in the top. Yes or no? Like that. And you got another one down here. What you see in here? Look at those candles here. When they touching up, what happened to them? Every time they touching in the top, there is big wicks. It's happening from up. That's when there is big pushing from up. Those ones down, what's happening to them? Same thing. They touching here, it happened to them big tails. When they're even here, there is pushing from down. But so here what's happening? It happened a war between buyers and sellers. Yes or no? Explain all those things to you. But how we are going to know who is winning now? It's very simple, guys. We just came here to that one, to Mr. Volume, and the volume he will tell us which is winning now. Look with me very close. Here red. Where is the greens? Very small. Here red. When it came the merge, it came some green bigger. Yes or no? Look at that. Look at that one. Here, it's big, yes. Then, after that, what happened? It came that red candle, that big one, when it came the retail sales of USA today. Look at that. The green is very low now. So it's still winning now. The reds, guys. The reds was still winning. Yes, everything is too clear. And let me show you my chart for the picture to be more clear to you. My chart, the same thing. Same thing, nothing was changed, guys. I tell it to you before, you got here a very stronger level here. And I told you, it's very simple. You just come here and you draw it like that, as you see it. And here, it's reacting as a very stronger support. Every time it touches, it fall down. And here in the top, I showed you before, we got here a very stronger supply and demand here in the top. Even that one, when it touch it fall down, as you see it. Also, everything is showing us now, we are in a downtrend, guys. It touched for us the top of that channel. Me, my view, it needs to fall to touch the lower of that channel, which is here at 17k, 17,893. That where is it exactly. So me, I think it's going to fall down till here. So also we're still headed for another crash, guys. Unless if the Bitcoin done something incredible, let's make it like that, stay in range in here or sideways, and after that to go up to give us a head and shoulder. That one is going to be the best scenario happening to the Bitcoin, guys. By the way, also we are going to update you when the daily candle finishes. So everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, if you remember when we've been in the top, I used to tell you sell now, sell now, sell now. Look where we are now. And here, as you see it now, it's enter at the control of the bears, guys. Over here is the bears we're controlling now. There is no bulls now. Now what it's showing you here, look with me very careful here, guys. What it's showing here. Here in that zone, he tried to give you here like a triangle like that. Now what you need to do to wait in where it's going to be broke. If it's broken up, you enter long. If it's broken lower, it's going to fall down more and more. At me personally, I think it's going to touch here. That trend line here, that white one, that one is the trend line of the divergence. By the way, how we draw it is very simple. We just came here to the last time divergence from here and here. The divergence will push until we reach to the overbought area. Then from there, we draw in that line as you see it. Now my view to it, I think that one is going to come to touch it again, or it's going to touch the oversold area. Then after that, it's going to go higher. Everything is too clear here. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, is very, very close to the oversold area. And what me I told you, look at here, the momentum, it started getting lower. It doesn't stay sharp like how it used to be here. So soon is going to come another run up, but it's not yet. It's still more time to fall down. It might is going to falling down more like that, slowly like that. Then it's going to touch the oversold area because you are in a very stronger level, guys. Here, and it's very clear like that as you see it. So make a close eye at those things. If it doesn't reverse from here, it's going to reverse from down here, from the downside here where it reached the last time. There is a reverse coming. So make a close eye at those things, man. I'm telling you. Let's go to see 30 minutes, what 30 minutes doing right now, what the market doing right now for the picture to be very, very clear to you. So let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there. In 30 minutes, guys, here it's very, very, very clear. If you remember yesterday what me I told you the market, it give you here like a W like that. But what it did, it doesn't come to break for you the last high. So there is no entry. And now what it giving you the market here, if you see with me, very clear here. And you came here like that, what you see. I told you yesterday you got here a flag and now it's very, very clear that flag. And now that flag, how many times it's being touched? Calculating with me. They changing that color. How many times it's being touched? Over here. The first time, second time, third time, that down. In the top, same thing. First, second, and here the third. 3 times each. What me I told you. If you've been with us, what did I told you before? I told you he's going to come to touch the 4th time, to touch the 4th time up or down. Then you need to wait in the 5th time where it's going to be break. If it's breaking up, that means you are going to go up. But it might doing a fake breakout the 5th time up, then it came down to do the real breakout down, or it might just from the 5th time going higher or going lower, guys. So now make a close at those things. I'm going to confirm for you where it's going to break is our indicator, that how we use it. Yes, you are in a very stronger level now, but our indicator will explain to you more what to do right now. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, what it's telling you here, also we are here at the oversold area. That means what you need to searching for now, only the buying opportunities. I'm talking here about day traders and scalpers in the cryptocurrency. Now you're searching only for buying opportunities. Where are you going to enter? When it's breaking for you, that channel I told you, the target where is going to be here at the 200 moving average. That the first target for you. Second one, it needs to be here at the top of those ones here. If you see what me I came here and here. So if you enter long, you first target here at the 200 moving average. Second one here at that supply and demand zone. Everything is very simple, guys, but not yet to enter. It's need the market what to do. I show it to you. You got here the price action. Is it that one? That flag I show you. When it's being broken, you enter. But not yet. It hasn't been broken, guys. By the way, to get that indicator is very simple. There is one video here in the channel. His name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Go to that video. In the description of that video, you're going to find the source code of that indicator. Download it. And even in that video, we show you how to install it in your trading view. So everything is free. You don't need to pay nothing. And here, also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. That's what we have been telling you before. You need to be in a very stronger level. That indicator to be at the oversold or overbought. And the market to give you a price action is indicating the market is going to reverse. And that's what's happening now. 3 things, all of them, they are, the only one is not completed, is the price action hasn't been broken up. So that one you need to make a close eye at that, where it's going to be broken, guys. Then you enter long, you aiming for 2% to 3%. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.